Welcome to SAM, Automotive Service IT, Workshop and Service Management Solutions. This video shows us how to enter a new customer and new vehicles we haven't seen before. Let's set up a new one. Drilling down to the customer list, we can insert a new customer, enter in the details, name, address, and using the postcode finder here to populate the screen. This M means we can open Google Maps for pinpointing their address. We enter the phone number, and across the top there's a note option. This note will then pop up when the job's created to remind the technicians about important things around this customer or vehicle. Click OK, and these notes will pop up for this customer for each of the jobs. Okay, we start to load the vehicle and we insert the new vehicle. Now, rather than manually loading, we can use the NZTA data link. We can go short check, which finds us the details about the vehicle, or a basic check, which is the vehicle detail including the warrant of fitness expiry. Let's go short, so we agree and proceed. This will find the detail and feed this back to SAM. Again, we're minimizing the data entry required. Now, this is the information that's been retrieved. Click OK and the screen is populated. Going back to our job, we're ready to go and create a job. Type in the description of the job, for example, service check, and away we go. Why not give us a call or send us an email? We look forward to hearing from you.